The first thing you need to do is register for a new account. So click the button and fill in these boxes. Make sure that you use a valid email address that you can get to, because at the next screen you're going to be asked for a code which will be sent to you by email. So once you've filled these in and agreed to the terms and conditions, click Continue. Now you will have been sent a security code by email, so check your email and get the code into this box here. And once you've got the code in there, click the Continue button to go to the next screen. As you can see, you've got two choices here. One, apply and join the college if you're filling it in yourself. If someone else is filling it in for you, parent, carer, they would choose the selection on the right. I'm going to go ahead straight away and click Apply to join the college. At this screen, just put in a few initial details, and of course make sure they're correct, as you can't easily change these later. When you've filled them in, click Save and Continue. And the next screen you see will be beginning the new application. If you are a school leaver, 19 plus, select the top one. If you're applying for an apprenticeship, the bottom. I'll go ahead and click School Leaver or 19 plus. And then you have to choose the year at which you will be starting at the college. Now at the moment, we're heading into the 2023 applications, so I'll select 2023 academic year. And then you choose the college you would like to study at. I'm going to choose Truro College. At this screen, you can start selecting the courses you'd like to study at one of our colleges. Now, don't worry if you don't know which courses you want to study at this time. You can submit this application with no courses and discuss your options later on with the college. But I do know what I want to do, so I'm going to go add courses to selection, go to A level, and I'm going to choose Art Design, English Language, and Geography. And you can see it's adding them just on the left here for me. And just below there, if you know which academies you'd like to choose, have a look at our amazing academy selection and choose any of these. I'm going to do Computing, English Academy, and the Music Technology Academy. And you can see it's added those as well. Now, one last thing we'd like you to do, if possible here, is select your first choice of course. And there's a blue button just there. It'll show your courses, and I'm going to choose Geography as my first choice of course at Truro College. I've chosen my courses, I've chosen my academies, and I'm going to close the academy section just here. Over on the right hand side, we have quite a long form for you to fill in now with all your personal details. It's very important that you get this right, so take your time filling these in. When you've completed all of the compulsory fields in this form on the right hand side, a green button will appear just underneath the selected academies and at the very bottom of the form. Now at the moment it's not there, which indicates that I haven't filled something in. Now where you see that exclamation mark, that means that something in that section needs to be completed. I haven't put in one of my predicted grades, so I put in my predicted grade, and if I now roll to the bottom, you'll see the Submit Application button is now there. You can collapse these sections, by the way, so they take up less room on your screen by clicking the little arrow just by the title of each of those sections. And I'm going to go straight ahead now and submit my application to Truro College. Once you've clicked the Submit button, you'll come back to the home page. And as you can see, my application is now pending review. So if I click on there, I can see the journey of my application so far. Obviously, I've just applied and submitted it, so not much to see. But as you are scheduled with an interview and given the interview and then offered a place at the college, it'll be shown on this screen. Now you can get to this screen at any time by logging in on the college portal, which I showed you to start with. Just clicking on that Apply Now button and log yourself in. So that is how you apply for a course at Truro, Penwith or Callywith College. Good luck, and we look forward to seeing you in September.